Hey guys, my name is Damien Black and today I'm going to be revealing the best free traffic methods for CPA marketing. So make sure to watch to the very end so you don't miss out on any secret information. Alright? Great. So before we get into the video, I want you to subscribe because I'm posting frequently CPA marketing, ClickBank, all of that good stuff. Like this video, comment what you think below, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Boom. So, traffic secret number one is Facebook. Guys, you've probably heard this 100 times, but Facebook works with CPA marketing. And the secret with Facebook is that you have to provide value to your prospects, alright? What do I mean by value? Now, for example, let's just say you're going to be promoting the Keto Power Boost CPS offer from Maxbounty itself. Now, if you are not in Maxbounty, or if you don't have an account, it is free to join. And if you don't know how to get accepted, I have a video on my YouTube channel. So just go to my channel page, scroll to how to get accepted to Maxbounty. It has about 3,000 to 4,000 views. Watch the video. I take you step by step on how to get accepted. For this example, I chose the Keto Power Boost cost per sale offer. Now this offer pays $90 per lead, alright? So you don't have to make a lot of sales to make a lot of money, okay? If you make 10 sales, you make $900. If you make 100 sales, you make $9,000. Now this offer has contextual display search, social, alright? Social, which is great. We can promote it on Facebook, we can promote it on Instagram, we can promote it on Quora. Quora is a search engine and search is also allowed. So, approved automatically, which is great, and traffic allowed from all countries. Now, I chose this offer because it is allowed from all countries all around the world. Because some CPA offers, like most of them, email submits, credit card submits, and so on, require traffic from a specific country. And this offer is good because it is allowed from international, all around the world. So you can get a sale from USA, Germany, Asia, whatever, okay? So the network EPC is 0.45 cents, which is awesome. So basically for every click you get to the sales page, you're gonna make approximately $0.45, okay? So this is a pretty good offer. We can preview the landing page right here, okay? So as you can see, this is the order page, is the sales page. And what I would recommend to do is when you are promoting these CPA offers, I would recommend to build a pre-lander, okay? A sales page of your own using ClickFunnels or whatever website builder you use. I show this in every single one of my videos. You have to build a landing page, alright? So without a landing page, you're not gonna go anywhere. You're gonna get your accounts banned. You're gonna get this is spamming, okay? CPA marketing without a website is spamming. You have to have a landing page some sort, okay? Whether it's for collecting emails, just sending them direct, just bridging the gap between the traffic and the sales page, okay? So it's just a simple, let me show you what a landing page is, okay? Landing page example. This is a simple landing page, okay? You can easily do this in ClickFunnels, okay? Or using Weebly or Wix. You can do it for free too. Simple landing page example. And as you can see here, it's just a simple landing page. You don't have to collect the emails, but as I said before, I recommend to do so if you want to follow up with them. But if you don't want to do that, that's completely fine. You can use lead pages, ClickFunnels, whatever, okay? So if you don't know how to build a landing page, go to my channel. I have a video about that too, alright? So now the next step is traffic. Now my 3 top best secret traffic sources are Facebook, Instagram, and Quora. Now, let's go over to Facebook and figure this out. Why I like Facebook, alright? If you have any questions, just contact me on Facebook at Damien Black. And how are we going to get traffic to this offer? Okay, we're going to use Facebook groups. Alright, simple as that. We're gonna use Facebook groups to get free traffic to the offer. Alright, so this is a weight loss product, burn fat, lose weight, whatever. And we're gonna type in a keyword from the title, so keto, and we're gonna go search, groups. And as you can see here, there are tons of groups about keto, weight loss, diet. So now what I would recommend to do is join all of these groups, alright? Join 10 to 20 groups, alright? And this is a private group, so I can't go in here. Is this a private group? Yes, I need to find a public group. Okay, let's go public. So just for this example, for this video, I'm going to choose a public group. But I recommend joining private groups because they have high laser targeted traffic, alright? So for example, a public group on keto is, okay, not really. Alright, keto life for pests, whatever that is. Alright, so this is a group on keto. It's a public group. There are posts being added every single day, and there are people in this group that are interested in losing weight. Okay, so these are hot, warm leads. These are your potential customers. Alright, so in this group, you want to start commenting, answering questions. You want to build a relationship with all these people. Alright, and when you build a relationship with these people, they're gonna know, like, and trust you. Alright, so for a couple of days, comment, like, post your own pictures, post a couple of pictures from the landing page or whatever. Understand? Build a relationship with your with the group members. Alright, so once you do that, once you have posted a few comments, people see you in the group, you want to start messaging people. Alright, and you want to start having a normal conversation with these people. You want to figure out their problems, and you want to offer them a solution. And the solution is gonna be the offer. Alright, and trust me, this works. I have done this with multiple offers. Okay, in the make money online niche, in the health loss niche, and also in the religion niche. I have done this multiple times, and this does work. Okay, when I was starting out as an internet marketer, this was the method I used, and I was able to generate $2,000 a month. So don't tell me this doesn't work. Okay, if it doesn't work for you, you're doing it wrong. You're spamming. You have to have a landing page, and you have to build a relationship. You have to contact all these people. Not all of them, the ones who comment, the ones who like, the ones who are engaged. Figure out their problem, tell them your own story, and give them an offer. Give them a solution. Okay, it's really simple, and trust me, somebody's gonna buy from you. Okay, somebody's going to buy from you, and from one lead, you're gonna make $90, which is awesome. Okay, so traffic source number 2 is Instagram. Now, lots of people are leveraging Instagram to make money with CPA marketing. Now, what do I mean by this? All right, when I type in keto into Instagram, all right, we're gonna use the same example, and I can go to Keto Meals Club. These guys have 105,000 followers, and these guys are building their Instagram page organically. They're posting pictures every single day. You look at this, they're getting 1,000 likes, 800 likes, 2,700 likes. So what I would recommend you do is, I want you to pick an offer, okay, which is, the payout is pretty good worldwide, and I want you to start building an Instagram based around the offer. Okay, start posting pictures. Make sure to repost pictures from your competitors. Follow your competitors' followers so they follow you back and check out your page. Okay, really simple. And post your landing page link right into the website section, and people are going to be going on your website. Okay, look at this, guys. This is, I believe, this is a, let's see what this is. I believe this is a ClickBank offer, but I might be wrong. Alright, these guys are 100% selling something. Okay, they're selling, this is a ClickBank product. Okay, guys, this is a ClickBank product. Since there's hop equals, this is a ClickBank product. So you can see here, this is truly powerful. And man, trust me, these guys are making sales on a daily basis. just with this method. And it takes time to grow the Instagram account, but once you start getting followers, getting likes, getting comments on your profile pictures, you're gonna start getting likes on your pictures on Instagram here. You're gonna start seeing traffic coming to your website, and you're gonna start people purchasing the product. And that's why it's so important to start an Instagram. All right. So there are hundreds of videos on YouTube how to grow your Instagram page. So make sure to go with this method also. All right. Last method. Yes, it's last. Quora. All right, guys. So Quora is a search engine. All right. People come here to get their problems solved. All right. So you want to click the answer button, and you want to go search Quora for answers. All right. And when you go to you want to go keto. You want to put in the keyword, and you can see here, guys. Look at the questions. What is the keto diet? You can go to every single one of these. Type in a quality answer. Okay, you want to put in a quality, decent answer, and then at the end of your answer, you want to pitch your product. All right, you want to say something like, "If you're interested on how I lost blah 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 pounds in the last 30 days, make sure to check out my website." All right, so and these answers get a lot of views. All right, look at this. This girl, Angela Drew, answered the question, what is the keto diet? And look at this, guys. Look at the amount of views she's getting. Where's the end of this? See? 4,800 views. That is amazing, guys. 4,800 eyeballs on her answer. Okay? And imagine you put a link. Look at that, guys. Get access to 430 low-carb keto recipes plus diet plan. I bet you she's selling something right here. Alright? Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? Alright? So, Facebook, Instagram, Quora. If you combine these three together and dedicate an hour a day for Instagram, an hour for Facebook, an hour for Quora, I guarantee you guys that you're gonna start making sales if you're doing this the right way, like I showed you today. Okay? Consistency, dedication, and belief is the success to CPA marketing and free traffic. Alright? So if you have no money for paid ads and you have the time for these methods, I would highly recommend you hop onto Instagram, start building your page, start following, reposting content. Alright? Hop onto Facebook, join some groups, start building a relationship with other members from the group. Alright? Start messaging and start a conversation with these people. Figure out their problems and offer a solution. And third, Quora. Go to answer, put in your keyword, and make sure to answer all of these questions there are here, because you're going to get potentially thousands of people looking at your answer and going to your website link, all right, to your landing page, and then to your offer. And tens, if not hundreds of people are going to be purchasing your product because they know that you are a professional in that niche, and they can believe you've provided a story for those people now. Okay? And they can see that you have success losing weight, blah 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 blah. Okay? They see that you're an expert. Okay? They're gonna purchase the product through you. All right? So you have to give them a story and a solution. All right? Because people will buy from you if they see that you are an expert in that space. All right? So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. These three methods combined are gonna make you a lot of money if done correctly. All right? Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, comment below what you think, and make sure to give me a shout out what video I should do next. If you're interested in anything business related, just let me know. Contact me on Instagram at Damien Balak, Facebook, Damien Balak, and make sure to implement the strategy shown. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.